Your radiator is the heart of your car's cooling system, and if it fails, your engine could die. Don't let it happen. Watch this. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Guys, today I'm showing you how to replace your car's radiator and spot the warning signs before it's too late. So grab your tools and let's get started. What does a radiator do in a car? A car radiator is a crucial part of a vehicle's cooling system, acting as a heat exchanger that cools the engine by transferring heat from the hot coolant fluid to the air flowing through its fins. Where is the car radiator located? The car's radiator is typically located at the front of the engine compartment, behind the vehicle's grille. Alright friends, let's talk about symptoms of a faulty radiator. Overheated engine. This is a primary and often obvious sign as a failing radiator struggles to dissipate heat, leading to rising engine temperatures. Radiator leaking coolant. Puddles of coolant under the car or visible leaks around the radiator or hoses are strong indicators of a problem. Low coolant levels. Constantly needing to top off the coolant or a low coolant warning light on the dashboard suggests a leak or a problem with the radiator's ability to hold coolant. Discolored or sludgy coolant. If you notice that your coolant has a rusty color or becomes sludgy, it's another sign that your radiator is going bad. Alright, so you have diagnosed the issue, and it's time to replace that radiator. Don't worry, I've got your back. Step 1. Disconnect the battery. Step 2. Drain the radiator fluid into a suitable container. Step 3. Remove the old radiator. Step 4. Install the new radiator. Step 5. Fill the radiator with fluid. Finally, check your work to ensure that there are no leaks. And there you have it. You have just replaced your car's radiator like a pro. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.